Welcome back. Well, when it comes to choosing the final resting place for your loved ones, there are three obvious options. There's burial, cremation, or being fired by a rocket into deep space and re-entering the atmosphere several months later in a meteor shower.
I'm sure you've thought of it, and so has Brisbane businessman Paul Francis, and he wants to offer people the chance to rejoin the cosmos when they die by offering burials in space. Paul joins us to explain. Morning to you, Paul. First of all, talk to us about the benefits of being buried in space.
The benefits are financially, because the cost of the burial is much cheaper than an earthbound burial.
Oh, yeah.
Also, it's to the environment, that we're not using land that could be used to keep our gases down. It's used, we're using the space, and you're basically re-entering the environment and part of the cosmos.
So how long do you circle around up there, Paul? Because you don't want to end up as space junk.
We've actually got a re-entry system built into the rocket, so that at our control, and we can let the loved ones know when it's going to happen through our app, and they can know exactly where the re-entry will happen. If they're in that segment, they can see the light show as the loved ones re-enter the atmosphere and burn up.
Yeah. What are the practicalities of this? How will it actually work? You just deliver your urn of ashes somewhere?
Yes, you still go through your normal funeral home, and they will send us the ashes once it's cremated. We'll then have them recremated to reduce the weight again, and then up to 300 people in one rocket can be sent aloft. Basically, we're using a rocket that's been developed by a company called Aerospace in the States. It's a balloon-launched rocket. The balloons take it up to 100,000 feet above the Kármán line, and basically at that point the rocket fires, and the orbit is achieved.
Right. If you were wealthy enough to hire out the whole rocket, could you fire your actual body into space so that you're floating around the planet for a while and then your body re-enters? Maybe you could be dressed in lycra or something.
If they've got the budget, we'll do it.
Oh, terrific. That sounds like fun.
Terrific. I think Andrew's going to start saving up for that. Speaking of cost, how much will it cost at the moment for just your ashes?
For a full body burial, it's $1,500, and that includes 2 kilos of ashes.
That's a bargain.
Wow. How many of us produce 2 kilos of ashes?
No, do you know that you actually produce a lot more ashes than what you would think?
Really?
Yes.
Don't you?
After a normal cremation, there's about 3.5 to 4 kilos of ashes.
But, oh, wow.
So you have to split. You have to split your ashes and decide which half.
The family can retain a certain percentage if they want to keep that with them.
Nice.
And the balance, the ashes are then recremated to get them down to a lower weight again.
Yeah,
gotcha.
right.
And then that's what's launched.
Well, you could have one lot of ashes go up once, and then if you enjoyed that experience, you could send your second lot of ashes up.
How would you know to make that decision preemptively?
That's a good point, isn't it?
Yes,
All right.
yes.
Well, thank you, Paul.
Thank you, Paul.
That's very interesting. For all the details, just head to our website.
Don't go anywhere. Weekend Sunrise is back with more in just a moment.